There's another vessel approaching at high warp. They're asking for you.
You're not using your head, Pigskin. That ship you're on is no match for the Reptilian.
I'm busy, Shran. What are you doing here?
You should be impressed we managed to track you through the vortex. I anticipated that you'd need some help.
Corporal Kelly, to the bridge.
Go ahead.
Our weapons are passing right through them.
You gotta stop this. If I don't get full power back, this is gonna take 3-4 minutes longer than we thought.
Can't afford 3 or 4 minutes. Corporal Kelly, listen to me very closely. Modulate your weapons to a rotating frequency of 32.6 teracycles.
Doctor.
Our transdimensional friend, the one we found in the pod. I had quite a few hours to study his physiology. Let's hope my memory serves me well.
I'll be right in front of you, gentlemen. Keep a low profile.
We're matching speed.
You said there were no human vessels in the vicinity.
They're not human.
Destroy them both.
That third torpedo almost got you. Be careful. Prepare to come about to port. Stay below me.
We'll need to get within a kilometer of the weapon.
Just stay below me. Let's fight back this time, shall we? Bring the forward cannons online. Go! And tell Archer, we're not even anymore. He owes me!